Hey everybody, wanted to jump on here and do a quick product review and kind of get some of your feedback and see what you guys think. So there's some debate out there on whether a surfactant is needed. I don't care whether you're washing a roof, washing a house, cleaning gutters, fascia, flat work. Some people say it's needed, some people say it isn't. I wanted to do a product review and kind of take a look at this with you and see what we found help with. So there's one surfactant that I really love. I recommend this stuff. It does a phenomenal job. We've been using it for probably a year and a half now. That surfactant is Southeast Soft Wash. We do the variety pack, so you get a little bit of the lemon in addition to some of the Southern Twang, which is kind of like a blueberry. The benefit that we found with this is that when you use it, a few things happen. One is it increases basically like the cleaning power of the SH. With the SH being the main cleaner, this kind of helps it go a little bit further, and it seems to react well with it. So I've talked to a chemist about this, and basically he said that it's bleach soluble. And the benefit here is that it doesn't fight the sodium hypochlorite. Some surfactants out there can actually fight it, which makes it harder. This actually helps it. So I found that to be immensely helpful for us. The second thing I found is that when you use it, it provides a good cover scent, right? So you never want to be misleading. You don't want to try to say that you're not using anything that you are. I'm always very upfront and direct with the homeowner about any cleaners we use. Any concerns they have, they're welcome to tell me about those, and we see how we can work with them if possible. But one of the things that I found is that this kind of neutralizes a little bit of the smell. So it'll have kind of like a pleasant smell when you're using this with your sodium hypochlorite. The yellow here, the Southern Drawl, being more like a lemon scent. And this one, I think it's more like a berry for the Southern Twang. So good stuff. I like how it does that. And where we're at, the smell is a big thing, I think, to a lot of homeowners. So for those few hours that you're working, or maybe even after you leave, it does provide a benefit there. The third thing that I found is that it increases surface dwell time. So basically, let's say you're washing a roof and the slope is like this. It's close to 90 or even 45. I found that if you're using just straight up sodium hypochlorite and throwing it on there, the problem is that it runs fast. This stuff, I love the viscosity of it. Watch and see, it's very thick. So it takes a minute before it can get all the way back up again. It's a thick agent. And so the benefit that you get is that it helps increase the dwell time of the cleaner. Instead of just running down, it kind of just oozes down. So love how it does that. It really helps on house washes, roof washes, even gutters, fascia, and all that. And we even throw it down because I love the bubbling agent when you're doing flat work. So we'll even throw it down with some SH on flat work. Not a lot. We have a module that we can control exactly how much comes out, but we do enough where it bubbles up, and I think that kind of helps as it's cascading down, going along the flow. So anyway, we've been using this for about a year and a half. Highly recommend this stuff. Southeast Soft Wash, Southern Drawl, and Southern Twang. Really good stuff for basically any type of exterior cleaning. We've even done entire house washes, like a black house, for instance, using just this surfactant, this and water and low pressure. So recommend this stuff. There's nothing harsh in it, which is good. Great scent, and in addition, it does increase dwell time. So that's all I got. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks.